Hi, in the lush green beauty of the grassland, we find and discuss about the fallow deer. The zoological name of the fallow deer is Dema dema. The fallow deer is the smallest deer species with specific body appearance. They are known for their spotted coat, which vary in color from reddish brown in summer and darker shades in winter. The most striking feature of the fallow deer is the palmate antlers, which are found only in males, that are resembles with the shape of the hand with extended fingers. The antlers are shed and regrown annually. The fallow deer have unique body morphology that separate it from other deer species. The adult male fallow deer is called buck. The adult buck weight between 60 to 100 kg and height about 90 to 100 centimeter at the shoulder. The female fallow deer is called does. The does typically weight between 35 to 60 kilograms and height about 65 to 85 centimeter at the shoulder. The coat of the fallow deer is a significant feature exhibiting seasonal variation. During the summer months, the adult fallow deers have reddish brown coats with white spots arranged in rows along its sides. In winter months, they have thick and darker coats with brown to almost black. The white spot disappear altogether in the winter season. Only the male fallow deer have antlers on its head, which are flat and broad and resemble palm-like structure known as palmate antlers. These antlers are unique among the deer species, which can grow to multiple tines along the edges. The antlers are regrown and shed annually. They are grown in some spring and are fully developed in late summers. Male fallow deer shed their antlers after the mating season in the late winter. The antlers are used to display courtship behavior during the mating season, as well as combat with the other males to establish dominance and gain access to females. Fallow deer have relatively large eyes and ears, which provide excellent sense of vision and hearing. The muzzle is broad with moist nose, adapted for keen sense of smell. The neck of the fallow deer is long and slender, allowing for efficient browsing at various heights. The body of the fallow deer is compact, facilitates movement and jumping. The legs of the fallow deer is long and slender, adapted for running and jumping. The hooves are cloven, which provides stability and traction in various terrain. The tail is long and one of the most noticeable features, which have about 15 to 20 centimeter in length. There is sexual dimorphism in the fallow deer, with males being larger and have antlers on its heads, while the females are smaller and do not have antlers on its head. There is a thicker neck during the breeding season in the male fallow deer, which is a secondary sexual characteristics of it. The taxonomic classification of fallow deer includes kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Artiodactyla, family Cervidae, genus Dema, species Dema dema. Fallow deer are adapted in various types of habitats including grassland and woodlands. They prefer mixed woodlands and open areas where they can forage for food. They are native to the Europe and they have been introduced in different countries of the world like North America, Australia and the New Zealand. The fallow deers are herbivores with diet varies seasonally. In the summer months, they feed on variety of grasses, leaves and shrubs. In the winter months, when the green vegetation is less available, they are more reliable on chewing the twigs and barks of the trees. Fallow deer exhibit a behavior that are essential for their survival, reproduction and social structure. Fallow deer are social animals, form groups known as herds. The composition and size of the herds depend upon the various types of factors such as season, habitat and population density. During the most of the years, the does and the fawns form matriarchal groups and the bucks form bachelor groups. During the mating season, the male becomes solitary and territorial and leaving their bachelor groups and show competition to accessing for the females. Fallow deer are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the times of early morning and the late evening. The feeding behavior depend upon the various factors including environmental conditions and availability of food. The fallow deer communicate with each other through vocalization, body postures and scent marking to communicate with each other. During the mating, the male produce deep groans to attract females and deter rival males. Does and fawns communicate with each other through softer calls, especially when trying to locate with each other. The male fallow deer mark their territory by rubbing antlers against trees and shrubs, leaving scent from their forehead glands. They also use their urine to mark specific area of their location. The fallow deer exhibit seasonal behavior particularly related to breeding and antler cycles. During mating in October, the males, highly competitive for to attracting the females, they establish territory and engage in territorial displays and courtship displays and to fight for the other males to attract competitive females for mating. Fallow deer are polygynous with dominant males mating with the multiple females. The male fallow deer attract females through vocalization and courtship display. Successful male mate with the several does during the rut. Successful mating leads to the internal fertilizations of the female's egg and followed by gestation period. The gestation period of the female is about to be 230 days. Does can give birth a single fawn which are highly cared during the first few weeks. Fawns are hidden in vegetations and are cared and are nursed by the mothers until they are followed by the female does. Deer are sharp-eyed animals scanning their surroundings for potential threats. When endangered, they will raise their tail to expose their white undersides to signaling danger to the other deer and flee quickly in a bounding gait known as trottings. Their seasonal coat color variations help in the camouflage in their natural surroundings, providing some degree of protection against natural predators. In ecological importance, the fallow deer play crucial roles in the plant vegetation structure and compositions. Their grazing activity can influence the plant biodiversity and successions. They aid in the dispersal of the seeds, which help in the regeneration of the plants and promoting biodiversity of the natural ecosystems. Fallow deer are the carriers of many diseases that affect livestock and humans. They contain ticks, which are the vectors of many diseases such as Lyme disease, chronic wasting disease, a prion disease that affects the nervous system and brain of the deer species. Stay with us to learn quality knowledge with the thinkers of biology. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.